Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm gonna be teaching you how you can check the call diagnostics system in Line Messenger app. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open the Line app on your phone and click on Home, which you see on the bottom left hand corner of your screen. After you do so, click on the settings on the top right hand side, scroll a bit down and find Calls. Go ahead and tap on Calls, scroll all the way down and find Advanced Call Settings. Go ahead and tap on the advanced call settings and you can see the call diagnostics option. So if you want to check your microphone, speaker and camera, and if they are working, just go ahead and tap on the call diagnostics option. So as you can see, all of this is correct. It's quite easy to do and it will make sure that all of your system is working. So I'm going to show this process to you again. Go ahead and click on Home, go to Settings and find Calls. After you find Calls, scroll all the way down and click on Advanced Call Settings, then click on Call Diagnostics. After you do so, you can see the test will be completed. You can individually test. So you can see that there is an option to make sure that your software and system is compatible and it is working with your device. I hope this video about how you can check the call diagnostics in Line Messenger was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.